What if dinosaurs still lived today? Have you ever wondered what our world would be like if dinosaurs still lived today? Imagine walking outside and seeing a tall brachiosaurus eating leaves from the trees, or a small velociraptor running across the street. It sounds like a movie, but what if it were real? If dinosaurs still lived on Earth, our cities would be very different. Buildings would have to be taller and stronger. Roads would be wider, and cars would be bigger to keep people safe. Some cities might even have high walls to protect them from large dinosaurs walking around. Maybe people would build sky bridges between tall buildings to move safely above the streets. Some areas might be dinosaur-free zones, while others could be open habitats where dinosaurs could live freely. In some countries, special dinosaur islands might exist where they could live naturally without danger from people. There could even be dinosaur highways where herds could walk safely without blocking traffic. Imagine going to school and seeing a triceratops in the park. It might eat grass while children watch from a distance. Maybe some people would even keep small dinosaurs as pets, like tiny plant-eating ones that live in the backyard. But of course, you could never have a T-Rex as a pet. That would be too dangerous. Children might learn new dinosaur safety rules at school. Dan T. Run near a tail. Stay quiet near big ones, or feed only with a keeper. Some kids might dream of becoming dinosaur friends, people who help and protect baby dinosaurs. There might even be dinosaur playgrounds, where small and gentle species could play with children safely. Farmers would have a lot of work. Some dinosaurs would eat a lot of plants, maybe whole trees in one day. Others might try to eat cows or sheep. Farmers would have to build strong fences and use loud sounds to keep them away. New kinds of farms might appear. Dino farms that grow special food for giant animals. Some people might even work as dinosaur keepers, feeding and protecting these big creatures. There could also be flying dinosaurs that help farmers by carrying seeds to new fields, helping forests grow faster. Nature and dinosaurs could work together again. Traveling would also change. Airplanes might fly higher to avoid flying dinosaurs. Trains might go through underground tunnels instead of open fields. Even the beaches would be different. Imagine giant sea reptiles swimming near the shore. Cruise ships might offer dino watching tours where travelers could see ancient sea creatures swimming beside the boat. Some people might even try to dive with them, very carefully. Scientists might invent special underwater glass tunnels where people could walk and watch the ancient SeaWorld safely. Scientists would be very busy studying these amazing creatures. They would try to understand how dinosaurs live, eat, and grow. Maybe they would find a way to talk to them, not with words, but with signs or music. Zoos would turn into huge dinosaur parks. People could visit and learn about the past while seeing real dinosaurs up close. New museums might appear too, not just with bones, but with living dinosaurs people could safely observe from behind glass. Kids could see the real heartbeat of a creature that lived millions of years ago. Schools might even have small dinosaur gardens where children could help care for gentle species and learn about nature directly. But life with dinosaurs would not always be easy. Some of them were very big and strong. They could destroy buildings by accident or make loud sounds that shake the ground. People might need to live in safe areas or use strong lights and sounds to keep dangerous dinosaurs away. Some countries might make special rules about where dinosaurs can go. Just like we have traffic lights for cars, we could have dino lights that tell them when to cross. Emergency teams might train for dinosaur-related events, like earth shakes caused by heavy steps or sudden dino stampedes. Still, it would be exciting. Imagine watching dinosaurs on TV live, not in a movie. There could be nature shows about how T-Rex hunts or how baby dinosaurs hatch from eggs. Kids would love to learn about them in school because they could actually see them. Cartoons, books, and songs would all include real dinosaurs. Maybe there would be a dinosaur day each year where people dress like their favorite one and celebrate nature together. Cities might even host dino parades where friendly dinosaurs walk beside people in colorful festivals. There could even be jobs for people who work with dinosaurs, dinosaur doctors, trainers, and explorers. Some might study fossils and compare them with living dinosaurs to understand evolution. Scientists could learn how dinosaurs survived millions of years ago and what made them disappear before. Technology would grow to new machines, drones, and cameras to study dinosaurs safely. Some people might even invent robot dinosaurs to help teach children about them. Maybe one day, humans and dinosaurs could even help each other explore new worlds like space or deep oceans. Tourism would change too. People might travel to special dino parks to see herds of gentle plant-eating dinosaurs walking together. Families could go on safari trips in safe vehicles to take pictures of them, but everyone would have to be careful not to get too close. Imagine standing on a viewing tower and watching hundreds of dinosaurs moving slowly across a wide green valley. It would be beautiful and a little scary. Some travelers might even camp near dinosaur lakes at night and listen to their deep, peaceful sounds. Nature itself would be different. Dinosaurs would eat a lot, so forests would grow faster to feed them. Rivers might change direction because of their size and strength. The balance of plants and animals would shift again. Maybe new animals would evolve to live with dinosaurs. Scientists might work to make sure both modern animals and dinosaurs could survive together, creating balance in the ecosystem. Maybe new friendships would form between elephants, giraffes, and peaceful herbivorous dinosaurs. A beautiful picture of life working in harmony. And what about cities? Imagine seeing a brontosaurus walking past skyscrapers, or a group of small dinosaurs cleaning the streets by eating waste plants. Scientists might use them to help the environment. Maybe they would help clear forests, carry heavy objects, or even produce natural energy somehow. There might be dinosaur-powered farms or natural recycling systems using gentle herbivores. People would learn to live smarter, not just bigger. Engineers might design special walkways or green bridges that let dinosaurs and people share space safely. People might learn to live together with dinosaurs peacefully. There could be special laws to protect them. Just like today, we protect endangered animals. In that world, we would protect dinosaur families. Schools would teach children how to live safely around them and how to respect all creatures, big or small. Dinosaurs could even become symbols of peace and balance, reminding people that every creature has a place on Earth. Artists might paint giant murals of dinosaurs and people together, showing hope and harmony between all living things. It would also change how people feel about the Earth. Seeing dinosaurs every day would remind us that life on this planet has been here for a very long time. We would feel more connected to nature and history. We would remember that the Earth is strong, but also fragile. People might finally understand that protecting the planet means protecting ourselves too. Maybe we would stop cutting too many trees and start giving more space to nature, because sharing the planet would no longer be a choice, but a necessity. But would people be kind to dinosaurs, or would they try to use them for power and money? Would humans learn to share the planet, or would they try to control it again? These are big questions we would have to answer. One thing is sure, the world would be full of adventure. A morning walk might turn into a surprise meeting with a gentle giant. A trip to the mountains might mean finding dinosaur footprints in the mud. The Earth would feel alive in a whole new way. And maybe, just maybe, humans would learn to live with more respect, not just for dinosaurs, but for all living things. So, what if dinosaurs still lived today? Would we build stronger cities or move closer to nature? Would we fear them or learn from them? What do you think? If dinosaurs still lived in our world, how would your life change? Would your town look different? Would you travel safely inside tunnels or walk among gentle plant-eating giants? Would you like to see them in your backyard or in special parks far away? Think about the animals we have now and how they share the Earth with us. What if dinosaurs were part of that world again? What would that feel like? We would love to hear your thoughts. Please share your ideas and feelings in the comments below. Tell us what dinosaurs mean to you and what you think life would be like with them today. Your voice can inspire others to care more about nature. Let's start a conversation and make a small change together.